Good day, Baisuans. Today, I'll be interviewing one of the students of Lashanda National High School about the school policies and regulations of the school. So, let's welcome Mayumi Algalan. So, Mayumi Algalan, how are you today?
I'm good.
So, great, because she's good today. So, Mayumi Algalan, can you tell us more about yourself?
Good day, everyone. My name is Mayimel Galon, and I'm 16 years of age, and I'm from La Shanda, Alishan.
Thank you very much, Miss Mayumi Algalon. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Since she's ready, so let's start. First question. Do you adhere to school policies and regulations of your school?
Yes, I adhere to school policy and regulation in my school.
So, since you adhere to those policies, did you follow those policies?
Yes.
She, since she followed those policies, so why is it important to follow those policies and regulations?
It is important to have peaceful and safety environment and to protect the students, teachers, and staff from harm or disruption, and also to promote respect and fairness.
Thank you very much, Miss Mayumel Galon. So, that's right. It is important to follow the policies and regulations to have a fair and peaceful environment of the school. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you.